What's up, creators? Are you ready to transform your videos from drab to fab without breaking the bank? Well, today we're diving into the world of DIY lighting hacks that'll give your content that pro-level glow, all on a shoestring budget. That means no expensive gear is required, just a dash of creativity and the tips I'm about to share with you. So grab your notepads because we're about to light up your content game. First, let's talk about the OG of lighting, good old sunshine. First, let's start with what not to do. Don't use the windows as a backdrop. Why? Overexposure. The bright light from the window can cause overexposure, making the subject, the talent, or you appear too dark or silhouetted. This happens because the camera adjusts its exposure setting to compensate for the bright background, often underexposing the foreground. Instead, position yourself near a window and boom, instant soft flattering light. You could do it by being sideways, or just place yourself opposite of the window and light your entire face. Oh, but you don't have natural light coming into your home? No problem. Use a room that has the best lighting. It's better than no lighting. All the rooms in your home have poor lighting? Well, no problem either. Let's raid your living room. Those desk lamps aren't just for late night study sessions anymore, or for decoration. Now, just grab a few of them or grab one and experiment with angles. Suddenly, your $20 IKEA lamp is a high-end soft light. Take that expensive light gear. Now, what I did during film school, because college students, for the most part, are pretty broke. I was one of them. I got myself a clamp light with an aluminum reflector. I got two of them, and they work beautifully. Probably get them for $7 at Walmart or a hardware store somewhere, but they're around. Now, later on, at a flea market, I got myself work lights, the yellow ones. Like, it had its own stand, it had two adjustable headlights. They were very bright, but I made it work. How? That's what I learned about the bounce technique. Walls are your canvas. Let's talk about the bouncing technique. Your walls, they're not just for holding up your roof. They are your new best friend in lighting. Point your lights to the ceiling and have it bounce back. Boom, even lighting. And there you have it, folks. Some game-changing lighting hacks that'll take your videos from zero to hero, all without emptying your wallet. Now, it's your turn. Which hack are you itching to try first? Drop a comment below and let me know. Now, if this video lit up your day, pun absolutely intended, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more budget-friendly filmmaking tips. Remember, great content doesn't need expensive gear, just a little creativity and the right know-how. Now go forth and light up those videos and shine bright. Until next time, stay creative, everyone.